All right, so here is your tutorial for finishing up and turning in your muckraking Chapter 16 assessment. Okay, so you've already got your processing slides done. These are things we've spent the last couple days in class on. And you remember that I showed you my example here for Field Site X. So I have answered these questions. I've picked a picture from Library of Congress, gone down, answered some more questions, or at least transferred information over, and then I wrote a paragraph. So I've got the hard work really done. Now I need to kind of finish it off. All right, so I'm going to leave it right there for now. Here is your muckraking article turn in. Yours is going to look a little different because it has my example on it, but this is how you're going to turn everything in, all 4 of your paragraphs and your screenshots. Okay. Please open a new tab and go to classtools.net, which is a kind of cool little website. It's got a bunch of different things that you can do. And what I want you to do is scroll down and find Will Ferrell right here as Ron Burgundy. So you're looking for the breaking news generator and open that guy up right there. Okay. So when you get there, this is super simple and easy to use. You're going to do a couple things. For the news channel, you're going to put in your initials as the news channel. All right. For the headline, you're just going to put in your headline that you already wrote for your article. So mine down here is "Now I lay me down to sleep." Copy that quick and then go back over in here and paste it right in. You can see where it shows up. For the description, I'm going to get rid of that actually. And this is basically your first sentence of your paragraph that is kind of the lead to the story. So it's your get them interested kind of sentence. Now you only have so many characters, so you're going to have to delete a bunch of them. And I'm just going to delete mine back to where it says "Destitute and alone, 4 young boys sleep wherever they can." Okay. The date, pick an appropriate date. I'm going to pick 1890 because that's when Jacob Riis wrote "How the Other Half Lives." For the place, pick a place that's appropriate. So I'm going to say New York. New York. New York, because that's where he focused on. If you're writing about something other than the happening city, then make sure you give me an appropriate place. All right. And then the last part is to find an image. And I've already found that image, right? Like it is this one that I found at Library of Congress. I'm going to use this image here. I've already saved it on my desktop because that's how I got it in there. So what I want to do is click the choose a file. I'm going to search that image up on my desktop. I know I called it Jacob Riis. Okay, thank you. And now you can move this picture around however much you need to make it look good. I'm going to cheat mine up as far as I can so that I see as much of those boys as possible. And there I go. I am done. Now here's the thing. There is no save feature on this. You have to snip it, okay? And I just want the screenshot. I don't want all the other stuff with it. So I don't know how you do that on Chromebook, but on mine, you can see I've already done it. There is mine, so I'll just copy that, get rid of that, and I go back over here, and on my turn-in sheet, I'm going to put it right in that box. Paste it right in there, and there I am done with the screenshot. My paragraph then that I've already written back on my muckraker processing slide is right there, so I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to go over here, put it in where it says paragraph here. Oops, that's not what I want to do. Oh, well, you know what? We're going to do this. We'll just get rid of that stuff. Get rid of the underline, get rid of the bold. Thank you. And then I need to put my headline in there. There, I am done. I got that first one done and turned in. So there's my example, okay? You have to do it 4 more times, or you have to do it 4 times, 1 for each field site. If you're done with your processing slides, then you're good to go. You have all of this pretty much done. You just have to go and create your breaking news screenshot. That's it. It's super simple. If you're ready to go today, this will take you 20 minutes. It does not take long. You have almost all of the information you need. In fact, you do have all the information you need. Now you just got to put it together. Okay. So good luck. If you have any questions, please let me know.